In 1932, 600 African-American men from Macon County, Alabama were invited to take part in a study which claimed to be working on a cure for an entirely fictional illness known as bad blood. It would not be until 1972 when the study was finally exposed by the New York Times, and the true horror of what had been going on was finally revealed. This study, actually titled the Tuskegee Study of Untreated Syphilis in the Negro Male, deceived its participants into believing that they were receiving treatment when in actual fact they were merely being studied to see what would happen if they remained untreated for syphilis. Not only were the participants not told that they had syphilis, they were actively prevented from receiving treatment. Local doctors were sent lists containing names of people they were not allowed to treat, and participants were excluded from the draft so the secret would not be uncovered. Not only did this result in hundreds of unnecessary deaths, it also resulted in syphilis being contracted by their partners and children. The organization behind the experiment would eventually be forced to pay $10 million in compensation and also to pay for medical care, a shockingly lenient punishment for ruining